Mickey, you can get the ducks. You can get the ducks too, Theodore. Get the ducks, Nick. Go, go, go. This is what Theo does. Nicky does all the work. And here's Grandpa up on the deck. Right? There's Grandpa up on the deck. Get off my property! You tell him. Nicky, out of there. I will smack your bum. I swear I will smack it. You're doing a good job, Theo. Good boy. You tell him. There they are. You don't need to bark either. Oh, good, Theo. Good boy. That's it? You did your work? Yeah? Now you have to have your biscuit? Alright, come on. Okay. Get a biscuit. Yes, I see you, Nicky. I see you there. Okay, here we go. Good girl. Good work, Theodore. Good work. You tell those geese, get off of my dock.